Quedar means to stay. As I said before, to stay. Meaning, quedar can mean to stay. This is a simple meaning. I just wanted to talk about it so you know how to use this verb in a simple way. But it's also good to know the other meanings, because if someone says something to you and you don't understand because you think quedar means to stay, but also it means to be. So you need to know the situations and you need to know how to use this verb in different situations. Okay, so quedar means to stay. For example, quédate aquí. Quédate aquí. In this situation, quedar can be conjugated in present tense, perfect tense, imperfect, conditional, different moods, and so on. Okay, so quédate aquí in this situation, this means stay here. Stay here. Quédate. Quédate. This is a command. So it's a command plus it has a pronoun te. Quédate. Okay? Queda is the command. Te is the pronoun. And obviously you need to add the accent mark for the right intonation. Otherwise it will be quédate. Quédate. So you need the accent mark. Quédate aquí. Quédate, stay. You're saying to someone, just a person, just one person. Quédate, stay, aquí. Aquí means here. Okay? So that's a common command. Especially moms say this to their kids because you don't want to, or they don't want to lose their kids, so they want them, somewhere specifically to keep an eye on them. So this is a common phrase said by moms and parents in general. Quédate aquí, stay here. Okay, so very common command. And we can see that quedar means to stay in this situation. The next example is: mis amigos se quedarán en mi casa unos días. So we have again the words amigos and casa. So you kind of know what we're talking about. Mis amigos se quedarán en mi casa unos días. What does this mean? This means my friends will stay at my house a few days or for a few days. Okay, let's break this down. Mis means my. My in Spanish can be mi or mis. Mis when talking about plural nouns. In this situation, amigos is a noun and it's plural. Okay, so if this was singular, you would say mi amigo without the S letters. Okay, mi amigo, mis amigos. In this situation, it means my friends se quedarán, will stay. Okay, se is commonly used. It's a pronoun, and you can see that quedar can work with that pronoun. Se quedarán, ellos se quedarán, él se quedará, tú te quedarás. Okay, so keep in mind that you can use this pronoun if you need to when using the verb quedar. Okay, so se is a pronoun, remember that. And I have a lesson about that, so feel free to browse my channel. En can mean in, on, and also at. Okay, at. Me, we have me here without the S, and that's because casa casa is singular, one house. My house, casa. And this phrase right here, unos días means a few days, okay? A few days. Unos días, a few days. So you can use this phrase in multiple situations when talking about time, when talking about days, and so on. So, mis amigos se quedarán en mi casa unos días. My friends will stay at my house for a few days. Okay? Excellent. So, quedar means to stay. That's one of the simple meanings of quedar. So, it's a good meaning. It can be used in multiple situations. It's crazy because here, the first example is a command, and then the second one is like you're just saying that your friends are gonna stay at your house. So yeah, quite different situations, but in both situations, quedar means to stay. So that's something good. That's something really good. Okay.